Okay, which overlapping triangles are congruent by angle, side, angle? So the first thing that I want to do is I want to establish that, um, and you'll see why I'm doing this in a second. I want to establish that this angle is congruent to itself, because when I separate the triangles as I'm about to do, you'll see that that we want to be able to see that on both triangles, okay? Because that's a shared angle for a couple of triangles. We also know that if this right here is 90 degrees, then we know that this is 90 degrees as well. We have this right angle there. And same thing over here, if that's 90 degrees, then this is 90 degrees right there. Okay, it's a linear pair. And now I'm going to use this interesting tool that I've got, which trims pieces out. I'm going to cut out a triangle, and I'm going to zoom in on it and take away the information that we don't need to see. Right? So I'm going to say, I'm going to cut this triangle out right here. Okay, that triangle right there. Actually, let me do that again. I think I can do better. This triangle right here. Okay, and this triangle. Oops. This triangle right here. Okay. And what do we got? Well, I can rotate him and zoom in. Let's rotate him a second. This is a good way to do it. Okay. We've got this single mark. If you look back at the original problem that we had, this mark, that is congruent to that. That's what those lines there are doing. Okay. And I'm going to erase stuff we don't want from the middle, this middle part of the triangle. We don't need to be seeing that. It's not really helpful information for us there. And I'm going to take this out here to leave just what's left. And as what you can see is that we've got this angle right here that was shared between the two of them. We're talking about this right here. So if it's this triangle, that's this. Okay? And this triangle right here, that's sharing that, that's that angle right there. Okay? We know that these two sides are congruent, so when it's on this right here on this triangle, that's one, and it's on this triangle right there. And they each have a right angle, so we've got angle, side, angle, congruence. You need to be able to see the two triangles, so where are they? They are this right here, which of course has this right angle, this side, and this angle right here. And where's the other one? Well, I guess I can trace it in a slightly different color. Let's get green. And this triangle right here. Okay? Those two triangles are the ones that we are talking about. So what can we say? I might as well write a congruent statement, because why not? We would then say this triangle, let's say ACD. ACD is congruent to, and I'm going from this far end without any marks on it, that angle, down to the blue angle to the red, 90 degree, ACD. So over here I'm going to go from the green, E, down to the blue angle, C, over to the right angle, B. So ECB. Okay, you weren't asked to do that, but those are the two triangles, and those are the names of them written as a congruent statement.